Okay. I don't know if you're crooked. Oh my God, it's gonna drive me crazy. And I don't even like my background anymore. I want a new one. Wow. So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, today's video, I have for you the Glitz Glam box. Now, guys, I know there's a bunch of them up, but there are variations to this, which is oh so cool. We were allowed to customize this month, and that's so exciting. That's just one of the reasons that I love this subscription so much. So, if you want to see what I got, what colors I chose, and I do have it on, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes guys, so we do have the Glitz Glam box for the month of April. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, we were allowed to customize, which is just like I said, one of the reasons that I like this subscription so much. But before I get into this, allow me to introduce myself to the newcomers. I am Stephanie, and I am the host of this channel, and I will be your host for however many minutes it takes to get through this. Now, I do have it on, guys, and I will be showing you a little bit down the road, just a very small clip of me, working with the shadows. Also, for the newcomers and for anyone else who's watching, if you're not aware, I do have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on. I will try to link that card up here. It's just very hard doing it on a phone, especially for the people who click on it right away, because it takes a few minutes to get the card in if you don't have the computer, which I don't. I took that computer back, remember I said. And yes, I have not still gone and get one. I think I'm afraid. But anyway, yeah. So I do have that giveaway going on. Please check that out. I'll probably link it down below. That way you can just click on it. I'll take you right over to it, okay? And it is for the mini blood sugar palette. All right, now, this subscription, the Glitz Glam box, let me grab it right here, is, now, guys, I have dug into it because obviously I have it on. So this is $15 a month, $2.99 for shipping. And this, I say it every video, is one of my all-time favorite subscriptions because they're always the first ones to show up. They've not changed their prices. They were on time all through the whole situation that we had going on last year. They didn't miss a beat. I mean, come on. What? Just all I say every time is some of the bigger subscriptions could take some lessons. Just saying. Okay. Now, with that being said, we do have a card, which we always have a card. I'm not even surprised. So this is for this is for the month of April, and it is the Spring Break Vacay Sleigh. Okay, there it is right there on the top. You can see it right there. Now, we're not going to talk about the nails because we're not just going to talk about them. But I do have the nail polish on, Holly. I love this color. I think I'll probably never wear another color. I don't know. Please, guys, I forgot to even say before I get into this, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We are so close to getting to the next milestone of 750. And yeah, I can't wait because I'm doing a super huge giveaway. I also am waiting for my 3 Jeffree Star boxes. What was I thinking? Yeah, and I'm going to do a giveaway with that. I also do have that spring, whatever it was, the grab bag thing. So I do have that. And yes, there's going to be a giveaway as well with that. So you've got 4 giveaways coming. You always get a set of lashes that are really nice. They do have some nice lashes, guys. And then also something shiny, which, yeah, I'm all down for. Okay, so comes in a little tamale like this. Okay, now I did open it, like I said. So let me go ahead, and we have our prices on the card. Loving that, always. All right, so the first thing is, like I said, we always get something shiny, and this is their glitter, I believe. Oh, it's from Hot Kitty Beauty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if y'all didn't know, Chanel was so nice to send me over a mystery box that she had, and I did create a look with it, and I utilized the products in the box. Loving the liner. Have it on now. It is glue liner. Oh, so happy with that. But so we have here glitter, and this is in the shade Loco. She knows me so well. And not only with the name, because my butt is crazy, but with the shade. Look at that. I am all about it. Now, I could have absolutely put that on. I don't know why I didn't. What was I thinking? Steph, what's wrong with you? This one is really cool, guys, because normally they come in these little pods, which are super easy to use. Depending on the shape, but this one has a little shaker, so you just shake it out and boom, and there's no waste, there's no fuss, there's no muss. Liking that. Great job, Chanel. awesome. And this is from her brand. If y'all don't know, she has her own brand. Like I just said, Hot Kitty Beauty. There it is right. Oops, upside down. Sorry. What else is new? Hot Kitty Beauty right there. Now, guys, I have 2 of her palettes. I'm determined to get the 3rd one to do a smoky eye with. Really dark smoky eye. I really want to do that. But her brand, awesome. Awesome stuff. Y'all saw me do it. Y'all saw me apply it, how easy they are to use and blend and pigmented in the whole 9. Okay, so just say congratulations again, Chanel. And so this glitter is here on the card, and it is Kitty Cosmic Glitter. Okay, again in the shade Loco. So the glitter is $4.99. It says Cosmic Loose Glitter. Need more shades? Head to hotkittybeauty.com. Use code GGB to save. Awesome. And then as I stated before, we always get a lash, some kind of lash. Okay, now these are some floofy. These are from J Lash, which are featured a lot in the box, and I do like them. The bands are very thin, and I prefer no bands, but when I do use the band kind, they have to be thin. And Hot Kitty Beauty and J Lash always have, like, well, the ones that I've gotten anyway, have a very thin band, as you can see right there. And these are definitely for like date night. I would absolutely use them. But these are just so soft and so fluffy. Look at how pretty. Now tell me that would not be for date night. Oh yeah. So these are, let me read about them really quickly. It says 3D Extra Volume Lash. These are J Lash, and what? Oh, these are in Sparkle. See right there? Sparkle. Okay. And these are $5.99. Okay. Now, moving on to the lip. I was going to put this on and then I couldn't find it. Here I put it back in the bag. I am loving this. Look at this. That is so me. So me. Okay. So this is Romantic Matte Lipstick. Now check this out, guys. This is $12. Okay. This is the nude collection. Perfect for vacay or staycay. This long wear matte lipstick will not budge. Loving it. I'm definitely going to put this to the test, because I'm sorry, but I am not the kind of girl who is continuously putting on lipstick. Now, the piece de resistance is, this is from Romantic Beauty. It's the Tropical Eyeshadow Palette. Now, guys, I picked the, I don't know which one is this? Hold on. It's from Romantic Beauty Tropics Professional Shadow Palette. It's got 16 colors, and it's valued at $16. Now, I will show it to you. It says, spring break. Are you headed to the tropical paradise or an oasis? It says, or are you bowling and going to all 3 places? Yeah, I wish. We love a customization month, which absolutely was. I'm so glad I got to pick my colors. And guys, come on, y'all know me, right? So which one was I going to go for? I did eye the blue and green one. Like, I had my eye on that one, but I just got a palette. That Hip Dot palette was the last blue one that I got, and I got the Jeffree Star. So I don't need another blue palette. So what I did go for is, you guessed it, the pink and purple one. Now, this kind of gives me the vibes of Cara Beauty, that one palette that I did that look with. I don't remember the exact name of the palette because I have so many, but the names just run through me, and when I see it, I know. It does have the shade names on the back and on the front. So when I go ahead and I dip into it in the little mini try-on that I have somewhere in here, you'll be able to know which, see the colors, you'll be able to know. Now you can see my big old fingerprint there. But guys, I will tell you, the purple that I do have on the outer corner is a little tricky. It's not, these shadows are pigmented. I will insert swatches of 8 and 8. There's 16 in here. Yeah, guys, these are the 2 top rows starting with Orchid, and these are the 2 bottom rows. I did swatch them. Now, for some of them, I had to go in twice, but what do I always say? I would prefer a pigmented shadow that's not super, super pigmented, because once you get it on your eyes, like, what do you do with it, right? Like, that's just my dilemma. So I would rather have something that you build up. Now, the purples are hella hard to make, guys. They are. So I did have a little bit of problem. I did have to go in a few times and blend it out. Now, I have a tendency to blend away stuff, so I'm constantly going back and putting it on. So yeah, I did create this look. Now, I did use one other shadow that I got from this subscription, by the way, and it is this pink shadow right here on the inner part, very inner, like 1/8, I want to say, just to open the eyes up a little bit. And yeah, so there it is. I mean, it was super easy. You guys will see in the video. So do I like this palette? Yes, I like this palette. It's right up my alley as far as the colors are concerned. Let me show you one more time. Yeah, these are, and this, let me tell you, you'll see in the swatches, this glitter is beautiful. I don't know why I didn't put it on. Anyway, that is the Glitz Glam box for the month of April. Now let's recap. Here it is. I found it. So we do have the palette. Yeah, we do have the palette, which I was able to customize and pick myself. Loving that. We do have the J Lash in the variation Sparkle, which definitely for a night out with hubby. Looking forward to that. And then of course we do have the Lippy. Oh, here it is. If I say hold please one more time, you guys don't see that, but I'm like, hold please. Anyway, here is the lip. And this, did I tell you who this is from? Yeah, Romantic Beauty, and this is at $12. Perfect shade. It goes with just about everything. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Okay, and here we have the Sparkle right here, guys. And I'm telling you, this is such a pretty, pretty color. I mean, you can see there's pink in there, there's purple, there's silver. I mean, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. It's just really pretty. It's right up my alley. I did see Steph, the Opinionated Horsewoman, get the shade Eggplant, which I'm loving that too. It's kind of like this, but a little bit darker. Absolutely loving this. Okay, so there you have the fourth product. Okay, guys, my first voiceover ever. Bear with me. So I'm trying to build up my crease shade with the shade Pineapple. It's like a peachy, pinky color. And just building it up. I had to dip in a few times, which is fine by me. I'd rather have a shade that you build up than have too much on. I'm better at adding than taking away. So I'm just packing it in there. I'm not really like concerned with too much with placement. I'm just packing it on until I can get the right depth that I want, staying a little bit above my actual crease as I have hooded eyes. So once I get it to where I like it, and yeah, I do like it. So now I'm going to go into my outer corner with the darkest shade in the palette called Acai or Acai. And that's that purple I was telling you that's a little bit tricky. I wasn't sure how pigmented it was, so I went ahead and I did have to build it up quite a bit, dipping back into the palette. Again, not really worrying where I place it. I just wanted to form the outer V, keeping it above the hood at the very end. So when I have my eyes open, you can actually see a little hint of the purple. See, going above the crease right there. And then I will take it, try and put some more on there, and then go ahead and run it through my crease. Right here, I'm running it through. Focusing on the outer corner mostly. And then I want to bring back some of that original crease color, transition color that I lost, just to build it up a little bit and blend out those edges. Ever so slightly, not too much, so I don't blend it away again. And then now, like I actually did, so I'm putting more on the outer corner. Now, I want to take the darkest shade and run it under my crease to make it one cohesive look, bringing it up into that outer corner. I'm not worried about buffing it out. I'll do that later with a lighter color. Just packing it in there, trying to build it up more. Now we're going to move on to the lid. Now this is the shade Bromelade, and I'll tell you, this is definitely pigmented. I was really liking the color. It gave me the payoff I wanted. I was just going slow with it, but as you can see, I do really like that. Now, yeah, I do like that. Now I wanted to use a different color on the outer corner. So this is a shade called Amethyst, and it is a shimmer. It's not like a foiled shimmer, so here I am trying to swatch it to see how much I have to build it up. And yeah, I'm kind of like wishing myself good luck on this one. So yeah, I'm just taking the brush, I'm dipping in, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it in there. But I wasn't happy with the way the brush did, so I added some setting spray to it just to see if I could build it up. And I did get some color payoff that way, so you absolutely could do that. But me, my wanting more self, went in with just my finger, and I'll tell you, that's where I got the real payoff right there, as you can see. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and blend the two shades together so that there's no harsh lines between the shimmers. And I'm liking that. So now I'm going to go back in, again, deepen up that outer corner, as I'm sure I lost some of it. Yep. And yeah, you just want to make sure, it's like I said, it's just a matter of going back and forth and finagling the shadows to be even on both sides. Now I'm taking that bromelade shade and I'm going to pop it on the inner corner and wrap it around my eye a little bit. Also adding some more just to blend it a little bit, you know, more. A little extra. And I am liking that. So I will take the pineapple shade, that's our transition, and buff out that bottom. And also I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer under my eye so that it would match my upper lid. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. Again, going back to make sure that that transition shade is still there. And even lighten up with the lightest color Orchid under my brow bone. So as you can see, I got both eyes on here, and I did use 5 shadows. Guys, am I happy with this month's box? Of course I'm happy with it. I really do like it. Now, are some months better than others? Yes. But guys, $15. Come on. What, really? What subscription do you know that you can get $15 of makeup? There's no skincare. One, they did have a couple like sprays and stuff, which was fine. But if you want makeup, you want lashes, you want glitter, you want sparkle, you want pigmented lipsticks, you want eyeshadow palettes with darn near every month, this is the subscription, I'm telling you. And for them to keep it the same price all this time, most important thing with this is, guys, customer service is a dream. They work with you. You get to customize. It's affordable. What more can I say? I mean, I'm just loving it. So, like I said, the purples are a little tricky. Purples are really hard to make, guys. So, you do have to kind of go over it a couple times. Even when I was swatching it, there's a purple shimmer in here, which I did apply twice to the outer corner. It's just a little bit. Chanel, thank you so much. Once again, great month. I'm loving it. I appreciate this customization oh so much. All right, guys, so there you have it. Now, remember, until the next one, please, if you're blue or you're just not feeling right, please reach out and talk to someone. You know, even if you don't want to hear any feedback, like I sometimes say, you know, I don't necessarily want anyone to say anything or say, oh, you should do this or that. Just to listen and just someone that you know that you're not talking to yourself, you know, if that makes any sense. And take the power away from it, you know, talk about it. And then, or if you don't know what's wrong, oh my gosh, talking about it, you can absolutely figure it out. And if you're that kind of friend that wants to help your friend, just lend an ear, you know, sit down and just listen to what they have to say. But most of all, in this crazy mixed up world, stay safe, guys. Until the next one, see ya. Did I just drop that? I sure did. God, please don't break.